Today I'm going to show you how to automatically add subtitles to your videos in VEED. So the first thing you want to do is jump into a project and you want to upload a video that has audio. So I just want to double check here that we have audio. So you can see here, these are the audio waves. So let's go ahead and just push play to double check a 23 second. All right, so we've got some audio here. This is what we need to do. On the left, you'll see subtitles. Go down over here, make sure that you come down and you'll see a blue button that says auto subtitle in English. Go ahead, click on this auto subtitle. Now, you'll give it a few seconds or a few minutes depending on how much you have to transcribe or to add in as a subtitle. And within that time period, you can see this is now the progress bar. You will have your entire transcription of your video, all of your subtitles in over here. Now, once you actually have your subtitles, we'll be able to style the subtitles according to how we actually want it. So there are many options to choose from. So let's go ahead. It's now just around about finished. It's just capitalizing on a few letters, adding some commas, adding some full stops, and we've had our snack and we're going to continue editing this project. On the left, you can see all the different styles. So for example, let's say that we want to choose this one over here. It is now applying that. You can also see that there are a bunch of different ones. You can also go over here to the edit. You can actually edit the actual words over here. So this will be the actual text. Let's say that there's a slight error in maybe names or in certain ways that things have been said. You can go and edit this all over here. Okay, you can also add lines or you can merge it into one text box. Now on the actual video preview on the right hand side, you can see here, you can change the size. Okay, let's go over here. You can change the size. Okay, you can move it around. You can put it wherever you need it to be. So let's say we want it center over there. And then you can see over here, you can change the animation. You can edit it a little bit more. You can change the size, the font style, as well as the color. And then you can also add links to the actual text. All right, there we go. You've now got subtitles that have been automatically added to your VEED project.